In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Figma with GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open Figma. So go ahead and navigate to your homepage. You should see all your recent projects and files there. Once you're on the homepage, we can move on to the next step. Next, look for the Community option on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Community. This section is packed with plugins and resources that can enhance your Figma experience, and it's where we'll find the GitHub integration. Now, once you're in the Community section, locate the search bar in the upper right corner. This is your tool to find specific plugins. Click inside the search bar and type in GitHub. It's a straightforward keyword, so it should be easy to remember. Once you do that, look for the plugin specifically named GitHub by Figma in the results. When you see it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the GitHub plugin page where you can get more details. But we're not done yet. Look for a button that says Open In and click that. You should see options related to your projects. At this point, you'll want to select the project you're interested in accessing alongside GitHub. Just click on the relevant project, and this will set up the connection between Figma and your GitHub account. Now, here comes the exciting part. You need to grant access to GitHub from your Figma account. This authorization is necessary for the two platforms to seamlessly communicate with each other. So, click on the appropriate button to allow access. And just like that, you're officially connected to your Figma account via GitHub. This integration is about more than just access. It opens up a world of collaboration possibilities. You can now manage your design files and collaborate with your development team more effectively. Now that you've completed these steps, you can start taking advantage of the integration as it allows your design team to work more efficiently with developers. You'll find that sharing designs, getting feedback, and managing your projects in GitHub is much easier now that they're synced with Figma. If you have any questions as you go through the integration process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Don't forget, integrating these two tools can significantly enhance your workflow, so it's well worth the effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.